Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to sew reusable menstrual pads. They're a hot topic these days. We're trying to be more eco-friendly. It is definitely healthier for you and for the environment. You can wash them and reuse them as many times as you want. They do leak more than the commercial ones, but you can just change them more often and be healthy. What I use is flannel fabric for the outside, and if you use darker colors it's better, you can't see the stains as much. Then for the core inside, one more flannel piece and a wider piece which you'll fold to make really 2-layer of the highly absorbent core. This is a fabric named Zorb. And here's the final product. It has snaps, and you can pick snaps that will correspond with some color here, and then you can see the absorbent core in here. They're super soft, you're never hot in them, they don't bunch up. I personally love them. First step, pin your fleece and Zorb core fabrics to one of the outside layers and sew here and here. Okay, now that the core is attached, you will take the other piece of your outside layer, pin it together, and using 1/2 inch seam allowance, sew all the way through, leaving one side open because you will have to flip it over. Alright, I stitched it all around except for the hole. Let's flip it over. Tuck in the opening, top stitch all around using 1/4 inch seam allowance. Okay, now let's finish our project with snaps. I always purchase the sets with multi-color snaps, so you can really go crazy and complement your fabric. So for this project I will pick turquoise. There's a male piece of a snap and a female, and then the tops. Okay, let's make a hole. This tool came with my set. Pick one of your snaps. This is the female one. In this case, it really doesn't matter on the first one. And squeeze. And this is a tool that also came with the set. Now, on the other side, you just have to make sure you will attach the snap the correct way. I've done it multiple times when I made a mistake, and then I had to use a hammer to break it and install another one. So you do it the other way, since when you snap it will go this way. I recommend rinsing the stains with cold water and then just putting them in the wash and wash them in warm water, and you can dry them in the dryer as well. This is cotton flannel, so nothing's gonna happen to it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.